Want to make some earrings to match your goddess bracelet? Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I had a special request from Jane to make some goddess earrings to match the bracelet that we made in the 10-day bracelets to make gift and sell challenge. I'll link up the playlist of tutorials for the bracelet challenge in the description below the video, and without further ado, let's get wired. Today's featured live wire is Susan. I scrolled back in the Wire Makers Club to find some of your beautiful creations. Thank you, Susan, for your longtime support of my channel, for always liking and commenting on my videos, for hyping the videos, and for your wonderful suggestions and special requests. We'll start with the 5-drop bead earrings made of pearls like the bracelet. We'll start with 4 inches of 22 gauge artistic wire. We're going to make a little loop at the end and string on one 4mm bead. These are quite small beads. I'll put a second 22 gauge wire through the loop at the bottom. Here's the pattern for the wrap. It is included in the Wire Bracelets to Make Gift and Sell ebook, and we are going to hold it firmly and wind the wire around the bead. One of the wires is going to the back. See, it goes behind that vertical wire, and then the other wire is going to go to the front, pulling the wires so there is no slack. One going to the back and one to the front. Put on the next 4mm bead, hold the beads firmly, bring one wire to the back, giving it a good little tug, making sure they're straight, and take the other wire to the front, pulling the wires so there's no slack and adjusting it. Put a third bead, hold the beads firmly, bring one wire to the back and one wire to the front, tugging on those wires and adjusting. Put a 4th bead, bring the wire to the back and to the front. 22 gauge wire works well with this. 20 gauge would be a little bit stiff for these tiny beads. Wiggle the wires so there's no slack. One more time. Hold it firmly, bring the wire to the back, wiggle and tug, and the other wire to the front. Cut my wires a little long, but it's better to have them too long than too short. Wind one of the wires around the vertical wire and clip it with your flush cutters. Pinch in the pokey end. Take the other end around the vertical wire. Clip it flush and push in that little pokey end with the chain nose pliers. Bend the wire on an angle. Take the bail making pliers to create a loop at the top, center it, hold it firmly, and bring the wire around once. Clip the end, pinch it, adjust it. We're going to make the hooks with 22 gauge German style wire, which is a little firmer than the artistic wire. German style wire is half hard. We're working with 2 wires at once. German style wire is nickel compliant. You can wear it for earring hooks, but if your ears are sensitive, you can use hypoallergenic wire. Soften the end with a burr cup tool. Press the hooks to harden them up with the nylon jaw pliers. You can hammer them if you like. Open up the hook, add your goddess earring, and there is the pair, so beautiful and look great with the bracelet. For the 3 bead earrings, we're going to start with about 3 inches of 20 gauge artistic wire. Make a centered loop, give it a little press, and then we're going to take 6 inches of the 22 gauge gold artistic wire. and wind it around just above the loop. So rather than put it through the loop, we're going to wind it around the base of the wire just above the loop. Give it a little pinch to hold it in place. It's going to be a little easier to work with. Put on a 6mm cat's eye bead. I love these turquoise cat's eye beads. Then we're going to hold the bead firmly in place and take the wires, and as before, we'll bring one to the front and one to the back. To surround that bead, put a second bead, hold it firmly, bring one wire to the back and one wire to the front, making sure there's no slack in the wire. Put a third bead, one wire to the back and one wire to the front. Super quick. Straighten those wires, give them a tug, and wind the wire around the vertical wire. Give it a clip. Push in the little pokey end. And take the other wire and wind it around to finish it off. Clip it. And push down that little pokey end so it's flush. Now we're just going to simply clip the end to about 1/2 inch. Take the bail making pliers, hold it firmly, bring it out and around to make a centered loop. Just a simple loop. Pinch it in place, make sure it's centered. Add your hooks, and there's your pair of earrings. And the comparison with the 6mm and the 4mm. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.